Okay, so today is a day I'm glad that I'm able to do things on my own, unassisted. So, we're looking at a set of Void wireless headphones, and I'm going to channel the power of Louis Rossmann to repair these things with crummy soldering iron. No, it's actually not a bad soldering iron, but it's not ideal for this job. So I took apart this. I put the headphones on about 10 minutes ago, and I had no sound in my right ear. And I'm like, why do I have no sound in my right ear? This is weird. And I just unscrewed it after watching a quick tutorial video from someone who tore theirs apart for a different reason. And just lo and behold, I got a loose wire that came undone, and I tested it. It has sound when I touch the wire to the terminal, so I just need to solder this back on here, and that's going to be a little tricky since I don't have any flux. But, oh, it seems to be working okay. Just need to hope that solder's back in there, and voila! Cool. I haven't busted that soldering iron out in probably 5 or 6 years. Just kind of sucks I don't have the holder for my soldering iron, so I gotta sit here and manually hold it. So, do I have sound? Let's play a quick YouTube video. Voila! Sound in both speakers. Neato. Okay, and that's just something that I did in 5 minutes and made a silly video. Like, I think I seriously just posted about this on my personal Facebook not even 15 minutes ago, and already fixed. Neat. If you liked what you saw, subscribe. I don't really think anyone's going to watch this particular video, but that was 5 seconds of my time.